Hello kids, welcome to Kids Study with Rushikaa. Now we are going to learn about the word those. Let's look at lots of fun things together and say those with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Those are flowers. Those are balloons. Those are trees. Those are pens. Those are cups. Those are bags. Those are dolls. Those are kites. Those are apples. Those are butterflies. Thank you kids. Please subscribe and share our channel for learning more videos.